Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is DMAC, and today I'm looking at part of a nightlatch. This came in a bunch of locks I got from eBay probably about 6 weeks ago, and this stayed at the bottom until today when I came across it. It was all together with the housing that comes with it, that this handle operates, but I thought in order to get to this, assuming we can pick it open, I thought I'd strip it all down. It's a Yale lock, Yale cylinder, and it's fairly open on the bottom left there. So I'm going to use this Lock Tools teardrop as ever. Okay, so let's pop them in the vise and see what we get. Okay, we'll go top of the keyway. This is a skinny one from Locks, and that seems to work. Okay. Just adjust this here. Let's see what we got. 2, 3, 4. Little click on 4. And 5. Nothing on 6. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 was a click, 5 was a click, and 6 feels bound, but I'm not getting anything there. Go back to the beginning. That's 4 again, and 5 again. I think when I'm hitting 6, I'm dropping 4 and 5. One, 2, 3 is still springy. So 4 and 5. That was 3, I think. 1 is bind. Is 1 binding? Nope. 2, 3. I might have overset something. I'm going to reset and start again. So 1 springy, 2 springy, 3 springy, 4 we've got a click, 5 we've got a click, and 6 I've got a click as well. 1 springy, 2 springy, 3 springy, 4 springy, 5. Okay, I definitely overset something that time. A nice click from 4, a nice click from 5, and then nothing else. It seems if I touch 6, he seems to overset and drop 4 and 5 back down. Let's increase the tension. I think 1's binding. Yep. That was a click on 1. And that was 3. We've got a very small full set then. Slight movement on the core. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Not getting anything yet. That was 3. Just touched 3 and I've got a slight movement again on the core. that was 3 again. I think it was 3, and suddenly we've got a full set. So just feeling there, I can feel, I think that's 1, 2, I think that's 3 again. Getting a slight movement on the core, so let's push him up. There we go, we're open. Okay, let's see what goodies we've got inside. So we've got a couple of screws there. I've not got a key for this one, so I'm going to make sure I keep him open. Got a couple of screws on the back there. So we'll use this. Whoa. So hold the core still while I do that, otherwise I'm just going to lock it up again and then we'll be back to the beginning. Okay. Couple of screws there. And then the back plate's fallen off. So the core should slide out. Let's just adjust this camera down a little bit. Bring the pinning tray over. Okay, which way were we picking? Okay. So on the back of the core there, we've got this little protrusion down the bottom, and I'm going to have trouble because my follower is flat. So you can see there, we're going to have a little gap there. So if I slide a shim in, hopefully the shim should bridge the gap. There we go, I can feel that on the, yeah, you just see that, that's on the front of the core there. So if I slide straight through with this, we should be able to pop the core straight out. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's try and get these pins out. Two, three, these are all standard. 4, 5, oops, and 6. Just turn these around quickly. Okay, and we'll see what's in the core. So pin 1 is a standard. Definitely felt some spools in here. Some pin 2 is pin 2 looks like a mushroom pin to me. Long mushroom. 3, that looks like a mushroom again. 4 looks like another mushroom, slightly smaller, looks like it's got a sharper tip on it there. We'll have a look in a minute. 5 is standard. And 6 is tiny. Let's just have a look at him there. 6 looks like a tiny little mushroom. Tiny mushroom pin. Okay, let's put him down there. Just arrange these pins. And I can show you what we've got. There we go. So in all the key pins are standard, and driver pin 1 is standard, and then we've got a mushroom in 2, 3, 4. Slightly different mushroom there. Slightly more angular than those first two. Then we've got a little standard in 5, and a tiny mushroom in 6. Okay, there we go. That was the Yale nightlatch cylinder. So there we go. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.